So how to easily integrate chatbots. That's right. Part of digital marketing that's coming to light in recent days is adding chatbots to your environment. And this is the easiest cake ways to do it. Let's get to it. Well, like the lyrics in the song said, how to easily integrate chatbots. Okay, in the digital marketing world, there's some steps to integrate a chatbot in your website or your mobile app. And this is the bulleted list. If you go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, I've got the Google document in there, and it contains this list. You want to select a chatbot platform. Create an account. Design and train the chatbot. Obtain an API key or integration code. Integrate the code or key into your app. Customize the chatbot's UI, user interface. Test that chatbot. Deploy the app. Provide user guidance, that's support. And gather feedback. Okay, that's the bulleted list. And it goes on in detail some additional tips, like if you choose a chatbot platform that's compatible with your web development, those frameworks, like one of the frameworks is Python based. Okay, that's a programming language. And if your web development framework is done in Python, then make sure that the app, the chatbot that goes in the app, is going to work with Python as well. Use a chat widget that is easy to integrate into your web pages. So there's easy done, and then there's, let's hire somebody to do this. Okay, make sure that the chatbot is responsive and it's mobile friendly. That's part of the testing. Make sure that it's going to work with every device that comes down the pipe. Test your chatbot thoroughly before you deploy it on a live website. If you've got an acquaintance, a friend that's maybe not real tech savvy, have them throw it in the pond and see if it floats. And if they can do it, then you're pretty safe. Okay. Don't have another web developer test your chatbot, because they're going to bend it to make it work and maybe or maybe not tell you what they had to do. Okay. Monitor the chatbot's performance. And then following those steps, you're going to get away with putting a chatbot into your web application and provide users with a more engaging and efficient way to interact with your website. Okay. And there's a couple of extra links, resource links we'll call them, that are in the Google document. Just scroll down and you'll see them, resource links. And there's a couple of them, 2 of them. Oh, and hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.